When you make a PowerPoint presentation, you may want to record and convert the whole presentation to a video so that you can watch it later or share it on YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook. Today, we are going to share 3 ways to help you make a PowerPoint into a video. The first one actually comes with PowerPoint. So, please double-click the PowerPoint file and open it. By the way, we are using PowerPoint 2019. If you don't want any annotations or narration in your video, you can simply go to File Export. Then create a video. Select the video quality here and adjust the time spent on each slide here. After that, click Create Video. Select a folder to save the video. Wait a while, and the video is good to go. But if you want to record your presentation with a voiceover, annotations or even webcam, just go to the slideshow in the menu bar. Find Record Slideshow. Here choose Record from Beginning. Then a new screen will pop up. Before we start recording, we can adjust the basic settings. Turn on or turn off the microphone and webcam here. Hide the preview here. After adjusting, click Record and start presenting. Sometimes, the recording might go wrong, and you will see this message that an error occurred with the recording. Please try again. Just repeat what you just did to re-record. To highlight things on the slide, just use the pen below. Once the presentation is over, click Stop and go back to PowerPoint. You can see a video or audio in the corner. Now go to File Export, create a video. You may notice the exporting operation is the same. And create video. Save it to the desktop and wait till the rendering is done. It may take a little longer to generate the video. Now, you can preview the video. Another way to convert PowerPoint to video is much simpler. The tool is called Assistive PPT to Video Converter. Before we use this tool, let's go to its official site to download the latest version. After the installation, launch the software. You can see 2 converting modes here. You can burn your PowerPoint into a DVD disc, but here, we will choose this video mode. Click the Add PPT Files button. Find the PowerPoint file we need. You can see how many slides this file has right here. Then click Next. You can choose from Auto Mode and Advanced Mode according to your need. The Auto Mode doesn't support narration and annotations. It will only display the slide in order. And the Advanced Mode enables you to record narration with your microphone. Now select an output format in this list. Or click Edit to change the output settings. Here we can adjust the resolution and quality of video and audio. Click OK. Then Start. Once the converting process is over, you can preview the video instantly. Even though PPT to video converter is easy to use, it cannot add annotations and webcam to your video. So, you can try this powerful screen recorder assistive screen recorder to solve all your problems. So, you can try this powerful screen recorder to solve all your problems. Open this software. Choose Video Recorder. Then select the recording area. Here we will choose Full. If you want to record yourself and add it to the video, just turn on webcam. And if you want to capture the sound in your slides, enable System Sound. You can also record your own voice by turning on microphone. Click Rec to start recording. Open PowerPoint. Find Slideshow and select from the beginning. Now start the presentation. During the presentation, we can take screenshots and add notes with ease. Click Stop to end the recording. Trim the video and remove the unwanted part. Click Save and enter the name. Click Next. Your video will be saved in seconds. Now, you are able to preview your video. The tool that is built in PowerPoint is convenient. You don't have to install another software on your computer, but it has a lot of limitations, such as few output formats and long conversion time. Compared with PowerPoint, Assistive PPT to video converter supports more formats and devices. And there are many options for video resolution and quality. You can even use it to burn PPT to DVD. But it cannot add annotations and webcam to the video. As for Assistive Screen Recorder, it can do almost everything you can imagine. You can use it to record your presentation, your microphone and your webcam at the same time. And you can make notes in real time without smudging your slides. It also allows you to preview and trim your video as you want. The only shortcoming of this program is that the unlimited version is not free. That's all for converting a PPT to video. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube for latest information.